Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my channel reviews a lot of handbags, fashion, and I'm working on my makeup tutorial / review. Today we're going to be doing a review regarding the Hermes Evelyn. So it's this bag right here. So before getting the talking about the Hermes Evelyn, if you guys haven't seen my other vlog where I discussed the Hermes garden party, please do so in my homepage. And what can I say about this bag? So the reason I got the garden party and this Evelyn is because I wanted to try out, like I said in my other vlog, like the style and of the designer, because my main designer is Chanel and Christian Dior and a little bit of Louis Vuitton. So for me, the Hermes looks like the style preference from the Hermes is really different than the designer house that I normally wear. For me, the brand Hermes feels a little bit more unisex, a little bit more like equestrian and casual. Unless you're going towards the higher end one, the Kelly or the Birkins, then it feels a little more like, I guess because, you know, the bag's more structured and it's all leather, and the way it looks more a little bit fancier. But the lower end, like the garden party and the Bolide and the Evelyn right here, it gives you like a unisex, more simpler lifestyle. So with that said, I would like to try out all these brands first, and also once you get the garden party and then the Evelyn and then the Bolide, which I want, because I do eventually want all three of those in my closet, because I actually kind of like those three, kind of, okay, not like super love, but I kind of like it and I want it in my collection. And besides, like I said, I want to acquire the garden party, the Evelyn, and the Bolide, so I want to have those in my closet, so by the time I get all three, then, you know, then I work my way up. But anyways, so let's talk about the Hermes garden party. This bag is very simple, like this. This is the Evelyn, sorry, the Evelyn in size TPM in black leather, and then the strap is not made of real leather. This one is made like fabric. I don't know specifically what's the type is because I don't remember. And it has silver hardware. So in the front, if you want to see, it has the H and then the circle or ellipsis around it, and these are punch holes. This right here, before I have this bag, I used to think this is where you fasten and attach so that you can close the bag, but it's not. In the back, this is where the little buttons, snap buttons, is, and so that you can snap it back and secure it. There's actually a little story to this bag. Maybe I can just talk about it later. Due to time constraint, I don't want this to be a really long review and then you guys get bored. But anyway, as you open this bag, it looks like this. So inside, there's no lining. Basically, it's just leather, really nicely made, because if you look closely at the stitching, it's very even and very nice. That is a little problem for me, that they don't have lining, because most of the bags that I get, the luxury bags, they all have a lining. So except for this and then the garden party, the one that I have at home that I have reviewed, and that is a little bit problem for me, because, you know, lining protects the inside of the bag more. Because imagine at the inside, this is really like soft leather. Like if you bring a lot of items, for sure it's gonna be like, it's gonna be damaging. You're gonna cause a lot of damage to your bags. So leather trimming, the trims is all made out of leather. The tab right here that you connect the little loop and then the strap, this thing right here is made of leather. So basically everything is made of leather except for the strap. And then on the strap, you can see there's the word Hermes, there's the word Hermes, made in France and blah blah. What is this bag good for? Because it's rather simple. I think it's good for going on a casual date, going out, for example, during the summer, if you're going to Disneyland, going shopping, whatever. This will be like a really great bag. It looks really well with like a nice shirt and jeans, or a nice t-shirt and jeans, or something casual like this. You can just wear it over a shoulder like this. It's gonna be super cute. However, there is problem with this bag. It is so small and it's so thin on the side. You cannot bring anything. You know how I like in my vlog, I always talk about how I like to carry light. This is you cannot even carry travel light in this. It's just ridiculous. recently I've made a review, an unboxing of this Chanel round as earth handbag. So this, even though a lot of people complain, and yes, the size is smaller, but you see the width, so it's actually, you can actually hold a lot of things in this, like a lot of foundation, lipstick, cell phone in here. I don't know, because if you bring a lot, it can make the bag poof out. It's not gonna be good. This is the size Alma BB by LV. This is not a useless bag. You can carry a lot of items in this. Maybe I should do like what fits in my bag, because I can fit a lot of items in this versus this not much. And then, do you guys remember this, an older version of LV, the LV, the Eva, sorry, so I have like, somehow I have brain freeze, I don't remember the name of my bags. But yeah, so comparing like all of this smaller size bag that I have, this, I'm telling you guys, like if you guys are like light traveler or people who like to wear bags just as decor, like an accessory, like me sometimes, then I guess yes. But the size TPM is really horrible because you cannot bring a lot of items. If you start like putting a lot of items, it's gonna poof out. So yeah, with that said, 1, it doesn't have lining. Number 2, don't choose a size TPM unless you're me, who doesn't like to wing anything. So those are the 2 like bad cons I can talk about this bag. So yeah, besides that, it's kind of rather simple. So unless you have those kind of like simple style, then you probably would like this. But if not, if you're like a more dressier girl who likes to wear Chanel, then this might be a little bit too simple. Maybe like a Bolide or a Kelly would be better. So if you're like a more of a dressier girl, rather than spending money on this or the garden party, might as well save money for the Bolide or the Kelly, because then you know you can have fun with those bags rather than buy this and waste your money. So that's all I can say, you know, because look at this, it looks rather simple, but that's the style of the designer for this type of bag. So there you go. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for having me today. See you guys again later.